Gas barbecue grills. The act of barbecuing or grilling has been around as long as humans. Cavemen quickly realized that food tasted good after it was cooked over an open fire. Barbecuing has become a standard American tradition for families. The reasons is clear as to why. Not only does the food that comes from barbecuing have a taste that is unmatched by other cooking methods, but it also gives a family a reason to gather outdoors. Today, over 90% of families in the United States hold or attend barbecue at least once a year. About 70% of all of the barbecues are held on a gas grill. Gas grills work by a spark igniting the gas within the grill. Gas grills typically have a knob or button in which you push, which in turn activates a small hammer. The hammer hits the top of an ignition crystal. Then the burner mixes the gas with oxygen and spreads it all over the cooking surface. This makes the gas grill one of the easiest and fastest grills to use. Gas grills come in all shapes and sizes, which makes them ideal for just about any type of barbecuing party. Smaller gas grills give you the portability needed to plan barbecue parties away from home. Larger gas grills are handy and efficient for cooking larger amounts of food quickly and without the mess of other types of grills. So after deciding that you indeed are in the market for a barbecue grill, there are several factors that you must consider when you purchase your first gas grill. Wait. Gas grills literally come in all shapes and sizes. The type of grill you get should really depend on what you plan on using the grill for. If you foresee camping trips, barbecues at the beach, or tailgate parties, you may want to consider getting a smaller gas grill. Smaller gas grills can range from anywhere from 10 to 40 pounds. Portable gas containers are also available for these types of grills. If your plans are focused on home cooking, then larger grills should suit you fine. Cooking surfaces. Gas grills, unlike some of the other grills types, have the ability to come with many different types of cooking surfaces. These different cooking surfaces include a barbecue surface, flat grill, and a ribbed grill. Some grills even offer these types of surfaces as non-stick, which allow you to cook a whole array of foods that you would not be able to cook on a grill otherwise. You will be able to cook your whole meal, including side dishes if you plan correctly. Some gas grills even contain a wok-type surface for cooking pasta and rice dishes, or a full rotisserie set that allows you to cook rotisserie chicken. Surface area. Similar to weight, you should consider the amount of cooking surface area you will need depending on the situations you will be in. If you will only be cooking for yourself or you and one other, you will want a gas grill with a smaller surface area, as it will be easier to clean. If you plan on holding parties or cooking for a larger family, then you will want to consider a gas grill with a larger surface area. This surface area may also include different types of cooking surfaces. Look for the type that suits you best, or is interchangeable. Cost. Gas grills are typically on the higher end of the cost scale, as they require more mechanical parts than other grills. You can expect to spend anywhere from $50 for a smaller grill up to $400 plus for a large stationary grill. You also have to remember that you must also purchase the gas for your grill. Propane can be purchased at your local grocery store, superstore, or from a dealer. Bottoms come in all sizes, including miniature versions for portable gas grills,